Hey there, folks. If you're a Truist Bank customer and need to order new checks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done quickly and without any hassle. Whether you're reordering your standard checks or customizing new ones, this guide will make it straightforward. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Truist online banking account set up. If you don't, head to the Truist website or download their mobile app. It's free and secure. Once you're logged in, look for the Services or Account Management section. This is usually on the dashboard or under your account settings. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Order Checks or something similar. It's pretty intuitive. Now, onto the fun part, customizing your checks. You'll be prompted to select the type of checks you want. Do you need personal checks, business ones, or maybe starter checks? Choose based on your needs. Next, you can pick extras like designs, fonts, or even add your contact information. Truist offers a variety of options, so take a moment to browse. Remember, some customizations might cost a bit more, so keep an eye on the price summary. After you've made your selections, review your order carefully. Double-check the quantity, delivery address, and any personal details to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm or Place Order button. You'll probably need to enter your payment method if it's not covered by your account, and then you're all set. Truist typically processes orders within a few business days, and you'll get a confirmation email with tracking info. A quick tip: if you prefer not to do this online, you can always visit a local Truist branch or call their customer service line for assistance. It's always good to ensure your account is in good standing before ordering to avoid any delays. There you have it. That's how you order checks from Truist Bank. It's simple, right? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.